Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Oliver. I wanted to show you guys our new Crowley ISD transition website. This is a really good source of information for you and your parents to look over. As you know, you all are juniors and seniors, and so this is the time where you need to start looking at what interests you have, what kind of jobs you may want for the future, and also if you want to go to any future training or schooling. So we have created this website for you guys to have to look at all different kinds of information regarding transition, which transition means you're transitioning from high school to your future. That may be to a job, to volunteer work, to some college programs, all kinds of things. So first thing I wanted to show you is if you click here on, actually if you'll look here, this is the site, the website address. So if you ever need to refer to it, you can look at it here. Also you can get access to it from the Crowley ISD special education page. But as far as the contacts, I want you guys to remember all of our names. So the Crowley ISD transition team, and that's with me, Becky Oliver. So I'm the transition specialist and the vocational adjustment coordinator. I'm one of the ones that does a lot of your person-centered planning meetings, and then I supervise the CBVI program that you're in, as well as lots of other things. Then my boss is Stephanie Hartman Sliger. She's our transition coordinator, and that's her right there. And then Jackie Linville is also part of our transition team. She is in a lot of your ARD meetings. She's our CTE representative and assists with all things transition as well. So if you or your parents have any questions or need any assistance, please feel free to reach out to any of us for that information. We'll be more than happy to help. Some other agencies that we like to get our families connected with are MHMR of Tarrant County, and we've got the phone number here and a website link if you needed to get any information for that. The Medicaid waiver lists for class and HCS, that's on there. And then Texas Workforce is one of the main agencies that we want to try to connect all of you with before you graduate. Miss Angela McCoy is our Texas Workforce Solutions transition counselor. Our goal is to try to set up meetings with her so that she can provide you guys with some additional trainings and summer employment opportunities, as well as helping you find a job for your future. So I wanted to show you that page. Also, if you'll look over here, community-based vocational instruction, that's our CBVI class. So we have a page about that. Talks about the purpose of our program and the benefits, teaching you guys really real life experiences and on-site job training. These are our community partners that we have worked with in the past. Of course, because of COVID right now, we are mainly just working with the Panther Emporium, but we're finding all kinds of tasks to do or staying busy, especially those kids that are in person. We're doing lots of sorting and labeling and staying busy with making sure the Panther Emporium is up and running. So that's a little bit about our CBVI program. And as we go along through this year, I want us to kind of go through each of these tabs. But for right now, I gave you all the contact information and then the CBVI. I'd like for you guys to explore this website and look especially at the community college information. Tarrant County College has some excellent programs for students with disabilities. You can look at those programs by clicking either of these links. There are also programs at Hill College, Texas State Technical College, Navarro College, and Weatherford College. So I would love for you guys to click on any of these links and just get familiar with the programs that are out there. So today's video is short, but I just wanted to walk you through a little bit of our new website so that you're familiar with that, and possibly we'll do another video that goes a little bit more in depth. But I will make sure that our form for today is going to ask you a few questions just to make sure that you know who our contact people are. So again, I'm going to refresh your memory because I want you to know our names. So Becky Oliver, that's me, Stephanie Hartman, and Jackie Linville. So that may be a question on your form to fill out today, okay? I want you to make sure that you know all of us very well and come to us with any questions or concerns about helping you plan for your future. So that's going to be today's lesson, and I will talk to you guys soon. We miss you guys and hope that you're safe and doing well. All right, bye-bye.